I have this wooden egg left over from Easter, possibly from Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and this other round ball. And I'm going to put a hole in the top of my egg and the bottom of my wooden ball. I'm going to take this old paintbrush and I'm going to put the handle into the first hole, leaving a dowel, and then gluing the ball to the egg. At this point, I'm going to take goldenrod and paint the entire figure in goldenrod and allow it to dry. Once dry, I'm going to take this Sharpie marker and I'm going to make these dotted lines going around and then connecting them. I'm going to skip a space and do another section of dotted lines. And this just helps me to make it pretty even going around. Then I'm going to take some black paint and fill in my lines. This paint is from Wise Owl. Once my lines are filled in, I'm going to allow them to dry. Then I'm going to take my Sharpie black marker and I'm going to make polka dots, creating these lines for a face. And then I'm going to connect my dots. It's just a way of kind of like making your pattern with dots and then connecting the lines so you can get them pretty even on both sides. Then I'm going to fill in this area with our black paint. I'm going to create two eyes. I'm going to take some jute and I'm going to make a bow using several layers, probably about 4 layers. Tying in the center and then taking that tie and wrapping it around the neck and tying it in the back. Then I'm going to take my mesh tubing in white and I'm going to create a bow. Cut all the excess off and I'm going to glue this in the back. And these are going to be my wings. And I did a second bow and glued it in the back as well. I made one a smidgen bigger than the other. Then I'm going to drill 2 holes on either side of the top of my ball, and I'm going to take black pipe cleaner and I'm going to wrap it around an art brush, make it curly. I'm going to glue it inside the top of the head, and then I'm going to cut it back to the length that I'm looking for, and then you're just going to take that top part and bend it over. Then I added a button as a mouth. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com.